Hello guys, welcome back with another show from Crypto Market 360. In this video we're going to talk about hooked protocol. The coin ticker is hook, and as you can see it's launched 1 week ago as a Binance Launchpad. So after many months, Binance Launchpad has listed a new coin. So let's go to the research page and you can see hooked protocol is Web3 gaming social learning platform. So as you can see, hooked protocol is building on ramp layer for massive Web3 adoption. So Web3 is going to be a new trend, so hooked protocol is working on that sector. So providing tailored learn and earn products and onboarding infrastructures for users and businesses to enter the new world of Web3. Okay, so the token utility token hooked protocol adopts an innovative single token hooked oriented structure and only utility token HGT, hooked gold token. So hook will be the governance token of their ecosystem, governance token platform for ecosystem, access token for privileges of community events and exclusive NFTs, in-app purchases like game tools, secret box. If you want to purchase those things, you will need hook. So, and will be burned to reduce overall token supply. So this token has a burning mechanism, so the coin supply will be reduced in as the app uses gets more. And it's taking rewards program, so this token, if you hold this coin, you will get reward more hook. So this is a staking program they have, which is good. So these are the things, and you can see hooked protocol. What is hooked protocol? I'm not reading all these things because this is a long article. As you can see, existing products which we need to I have not used it from Google Play. I will use it. Hooked protocol launched the first pilot DApp, Wild Cash, aiming to be the Web3 community gateway in emerging markets. Shortly after launch, Wild Cash became the first and only Web3 application ever dominating Google Play rank for 9 consecutive days in Indonesia, with over 2 million active users, monthly active users. So they have a working product, their first pilot product, Wild Cash. I haven't used that yet. So it is Indonesia, it's very popular and it has 2 million monthly active users. So here is a list of product features available in the description. You can quiz to earn. So you do the quiz and you earn. Proof of work and time mining game, a game feature to incentivize users to contribute efforts and time within the platform. So you can mine coin by playing games, or you can do the quiz to earn coins. So social referral users, referral system is there. Stake and swap. Users can store crypto assets in wallets and later contact their first crypto staking and swap. So you can see you can convert your HGT into BUSD. You have invite partners. So as you can see, this is launched on Binance chain, so that's why it's BEP20 token. And token type BEP20, total supply, this amount, private allocation. So let's see, private sale is 20%, Binance Launchpad sell 5%, team 20%, ecosystem 30%, and community 25%. So only 5% is for Binance Launchpad sale. So that's why the number of tokens in market right now is very limited. So that's why it's easy to pump the price. So I think the token price will go up. We will see more now. As you can see, December 2020 we are right now. Right now only Binance Launchpad sale and treasury 5%. So 10% coins are in circulation right now. As you can see, January community point 4%, and ecosystem treasury coins are being released. So every month new coins will come into the market, and that will cause huge selling pressure. But as the app, as it is working product, so more people will come and more people will buy. So I am actually concerned about private sale, how much price they got from this token from private sale. And as you can see, private sale will start unlocking from December 2023. So after 1 year, private sale is going to be unlocked. So there is nothing to worry about token distribution, because it's locked for 1 year. And team is also not releasing their tokens, their holdings until December 2023. So so not much circulation, not much coins are in circulation. So token a use case right now, see, governance platform a token, so it will be used as a governance token. Access token for exclusive NFT and privileges of community events. Hook used for certain in-app purchases. Future gas token for hooked application roll-up infrastructure and staking rewards. So as you can see that Binance Launchpad sale price was only 0.10 cent and private sale was 0.06 to 0.12 USDT. So private sale token was around 20% of the tokens were sold at 0.06 to 0.12, and that is locked for 1 year, so nothing to worry about here. But Binance Launchpad sale price was 0.10 cent and Binance Launchpad sale allocation was only 5%. So that's why the price of the coin is very easy to manipulate, and as you can see, it's already 28 times from its ICO price, and still it's growing. So as you can see, initial circulating supply when listed on Binance is only 10%. So as the number of tokens are very less, it's very easy to manipulate, so this coin can go high. But I don't see any reason to buy after the coin price pumped 30 to 40x or even 50x. As you can see, it was around $5, so it went almost 50x. So don't try to chase a pump, because that coin has already pumped. And as you can see, Toko, if you look Toko coin, which is also good coin, but you can see, let me show you. And as you can see, after Binance Launchpad, the Toko coin did really well. That was also a good bull market. So after that, the coin price went down, and it's now only 3.7x. So that's why I don't recommend to buy this token at this price, because it's very risky right now if you buy this token, because the people who bought from Launchpad, they will cash out, they will take profit and dump their tokens on you. So it's very risky. As you can see, 2.91 is a resistance, but this coin has a chance to go $4, $5 again within a short time, as the circulation is less. So it's very risky, but you can try it. So personally, I am not buying this token at this price, because it's already 28 times higher. So let's see, I will wait for correction and I will start buying from $1 or below $1. So thank you guys, hopefully you like the video. Goodbye.